Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am going to be doing my CVS midweek video for you guys. There was a lot of good deals with the Unilever products on Sunday that I thought I would go ahead and do some of those deals again. I also wanted to try a few things as well, so definitely keep watching if you want to see what things I tried would work for me. I also grabbed the pink stuff, you guys. I grabbed these. These are 2 for $10. And I figured, why not? It's something I wanted to try, and honestly would rather pay with extra care bucks than pay with cash. And so I grabbed like 4 of these. I grabbed the last. They only had 5 on the shelf, and I grabbed 4. I haven't mentioned the Epic Beauty event because, like, dude, it says after coupons are discounts. I am assuming that extra care bucks is considered savings. You know what I mean? And after coupons. And in the past, it's always been before coupons. And it's always been really awesome. I mean, I miss the beauty program. So with them doing this Epic Beauty event every, I guess a couple times a year or whatever, it's always been kind of good to get that extra care bucks at the end of that promotion. But with this time around, it says after discounts are coupons. And so it's kind of like, for me, I feel like it's pointless. And I've been hearing different things that it only is for qualifying accounts. And it's like, well, how do you know if you qualify? Like, if you originally signed up to the beauty program or beauty club, you should qualify. And so that's the thing, is not knowing, okay, do I qualify or don't I? Because I really don't know. And so I haven't mentioned it really. I haven't really been focusing on it much because I feel like if it's after discounts and coupons, then it's pointless. Because as y'all know, we're using coupons. So if I spend $30 in CoverGirl and I use $15 in coupons and $15 in extra care bucks, then what's the point? I feel like it's turning out to be an epic fail, to be honest. Like, I mean, based on what a lot of you guys are saying, I feel like it's an epic fail. But we'll see what happens 2 or 3 days after the promotion ends. All right. And so there was that. As far as the Unilever, now the issues that I've noticed with the Unilever coupons is that when you're doing the Dove hand soap deal with the Dove body wash deal, the Dove hand soap coupon is attaching to the body wash and the bars, which is why the body wash and bar coupons are not scanning all the time. So I noticed that when I did on Sunday, when I did the hand soap with the body wash and the bars coupon didn't scan. I had to remove that item. It knocked off the BOGO coupon. All right. So that's how I knew that it was attaching to it. So I would suggest, if you want to do both deals in the same transaction, have them scan the hand soaps first and then scan that BOGO right afterwards and then scan the Dove. All right, do it like that. That's what I did, and that's been working out fine for me. That's the thing with those Unilever coupons, they cross attach. Other than that, you guys, I did have everything work out pretty perfect today. I'm on my way home right now. If you're new here though, and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you also hit the like button, support your girl. Don't forget to ring your notification bell so you never miss a video. So without further ado, let's get over to CVS. We already did, but you get the point. All right, so my first deal is going to be on the Grove Co. It is priced at $5.79, but it is 25% off. So we'll pay $4.34. I'm going to grab 4 of them. I'll end up paying $17.36 out of pocket, but I'll get back $1.25 for each on checkout if you want. I'm also going to get back $20 on Swagbucks as well, making this a $7.64 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Head & Shoulders. It is buy one, get one 40% off. It's also buy 2, get back 5. And so that first one is going to be $7.49. The second one is going to be $3. That total is going to come to $10.49. We're going to use a 3 off of 2 coupon from the P&G website. We're also hoping that'll glitch with a 3 off of 2 digital. Now we also have that 2 off of 2. Not sure what's going to happen with that, but it'll bring our total down to $4.49, getting back 5 in extra care bucks, another $1 on Ibotta, making this a $1.51 moneymaker. All right, so here is another deal I really wanted to try. It's spend 20, get back 10. So I'm going to start off with Tresemme, which is priced at $7.29. So we're going to grab 2 of those. We're going to use this 5 off of 2 coupon from the Unilever.
hoping it'll glitch with this 4 off of 2 digital. Along with this, I'm gonna also grab one of the Dove body wash, which are priced at $8.99. And for this, I'm going to be using the 3 off of 1 coupon from our Unilever. Now both items is gonna come to $23.57. After coupons and digitals, it'll come down to $11.57. We'll get back the 10, making them only 52 cents each. Alright, so with this next deal, I'm so sorry, I totally forgot to include the clip in my Sundays video on the next. It is spend 20, get back 10. Now for this, I've been grabbing the small little conditioners. It's the cheapest item I can find. The store closest to my house, they're priced at $11.99. This store, they're $12.49, so we're going to grab 2 of them. We'll be using 2 of the $6 coupons from the Unilever. That'll bring the total down to paying $12.98 out of pocket and getting back 10, making them only $1.49 each. So here is another deal I was really eager to try. It's on the Dove Men Care. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and it's also buy 2, get back 3. So the first one's going to be $8.19. That second one is going to be $4.10. Our total will come to $12.29. We're using this 4 off of 2 coupon from my Unilever, hoping it'll double attach with that 4 off of 2 digital. We'll end up paying $4.29, getting back to 3, making them 64 cents each. Now you can either get the body wash or you can choose to do the deodorant. They are priced at $8.49 in my store for that first one. The second one is $4.25. Your total is going to come to $12.74. Again, we're using that 4 off of 2 digital. The 4 off of 2 insert coupon from the Unilever. We're also hoping that the digital will attach as well for 4 off of 2, bringing that total down to $4.74. We'll get back to 3, making them only 87 cents each. And again, it's one or the other. Alright, so our next deal is on these check razors. It is spend 25, get back 10. So for this, I grab one at $12.99. I also grab one at $13.49. The total came to $26.48. I have a 5 off 25 CRT that I'm going to use. I also had 2 different 4 off of 1 digitals as well that I'm going to use with this deal. That'll bring my total down to $13.48 out of pocket. But we're going to get back that $10 in extra care bucks, making it $3.48 for both of them, or only $1.74 each. Now, another option for that 5 off 25 CRT is to grab the disposables. They're on sale for $6.99. So for this, you want to grab 4 of them. That total is going to come to $27.96. Again, using a 5 off 25 CRT. Now for this, I'm using 2 printables, and I also have 2 different digitals as well for 4 off of 1. This will bring my total down to $6.96 out of pocket. I'll get back 5, making them only 49 cents each. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. You know what, y'all? I think I might just be done. I might just be done with this week. And I'm always happy when I can be done by Tuesday. What day do you guys like to be done with CVS by? Because I know when it's an awesome week, it's easy to be there every day. But for me personally, if I can be done by Tuesday, I'm so happy about that, because it is hectic running back and forth to the store every day doing deals. But I think I am pretty much done with this week. All right, so and Josiah is in the other room, so please excuse him being his little human self. I apologize in advance for any sudden outbursts that you may hear from him. Right, bud? Yeah. And so, but I'm done. So we did Tresemme / Dove, spend 20, get back 10. I did that on 3. Worked out perfect. Now, I know that not all the Tresemme are working with that paper coupon. So just an FYI on that. With the Dove deal, all of the Dove body wash are not working with that paper coupon either. I know for me, I'll probably toss in a picture. Which one was it? It was the eucalyptus one. That one didn't work for me. That's why I picked up the deodorant instead. Of course, I'd rather have body wash than deodorant. And so, yeah, there's that. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out. All my coupons did scan today. Now, with the Grove Co., when I was in store, the rebate was there, okay? By the time I got ready to check out, it was gone. So I'm hoping it pops back up. The other deal I didn't do was the Head and Shoulder. Now, at this particular cashier does check expiration dates. And so, because I didn't know if the $2 coupon was going to come off because it didn't look like it did, I went ahead and had to scratch that deal. I didn't mention the swab deodorant in the video, but I did do that deal on Sunday. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And it's also buy two, get back two. So for that, I think it was $3.49 for one, $1.75 for the other. I had 2 off of 2 printables. I know we have 50-cent coupons in the Unilever, and I believe there's a digital as well. So you'll end up paying $3.24 getting back the 2. So it made those 62 cents each. I just kind of just threw those in as a little filler because I needed to spend. I was trying to use more extra care bucks. And so that's why I kind of tossed that in. I was trying my hardest to figure out how to set up these razors because I didn't want to take up too much space. I did that disposable deal on 3 cards that I had 5 off 25 CRTs. And the 4th one, I chose to grab those instead with the 5 off 25. We do have double digitals for both the disposable as well as the regular razors for that deal. And then other than that, you guys, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $306.11. This is $27.92 in sales tax. And then I had $185 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $121.11. And then we walk away with $103 in extra care bucks. Another $5.50 from Fetch. I'll have to make that correction with the conversion since it's not what it is supposed to be. With them changing the payout redemptions, it changes what you're getting back. So 2,500 points is no longer $2.50. So I'll make that change in my document. But I did submit all my receipts and got back the $275 in points times 2. So it brings us down to a net of $12.61, or only 28 cents each, you guys, which is an awesome, awesome price. To pay $12 for all of this is awesome. So other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. Josiah, what's your request for an emoji? Musician? Huh? Musician hat. A musician hat. Is there a musician hat emoji? You think there is? Okay. Well, if you can find one, guys, and you got to this point in the video, let me see it in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.